Hello there, pancake enthusiasts. Today we're whipping up some quick and easy vegan pancakes that you can have ready in just 10 minutes. This 3-ingredient wonder is a game changer for busy mornings. So, without further ado, let's dive into this tasty adventure. The magic of these pancakes lies in just 3 simple ingredients: ripe bananas, oats, and your choice of plant-based milk. Bananas provide sweetness and texture, oats offer heartiness, and plant-based milk brings it all together. With these ingredients at hand, we're ready to start cooking. Creating these pancakes is as simple as 1, 2, 3. To start, mash your ripe bananas until they're smooth. This forms the base of our pancake batter and adds a natural sweetness that's hard to resist. Next, mix in your oats. These will give your pancakes their hearty structure and ensure they're gluten-free. Now, pour in your plant-based milk of choice. This will bring everything together into a smooth, pourable batter that's ready for the skillet. When cooking, remember to keep your skillet at a medium heat. Pour your batter in, forming small pancake shapes. Let them cook until you see bubbles forming on top, then give them a quick flip. They should be golden brown and perfectly cooked. And there you have it. In just 10 minutes, you've created a delicious, vegan-friendly breakfast. These pancakes are not just quick and easy, but also a healthy start to your day. Enjoy them hot, right off the skillet, or stack them up for a hearty breakfast feast. Now, here's where your creativity comes in. These pancakes are a blank canvas, waiting for your favorite toppings. Fancy some chocolate chips or blueberries? Or a dash of spices, perhaps? Drizzle with maple syrup or top with fresh fruit. Whether you keep it simple or jazz it up, these pancakes are sure to be a hit. So there you have it, folks. Quick, easy, and delicious vegan pancakes in just 10 minutes. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this pancake journey. We can't wait to see your creations. Until next time, happy cooking!